Hello and welcome to the Lowdown on Lockdown. My name is Eric Holst with Ambient Lighting, and today we're talking about the Prevail versus the new Prevail Discrete from Lumark by Cooper Lighting Solutions. Lumark has reimagined their staple outdoor area and site light fixture, moving away from traditional LED modules and moving towards updated LED panels. The new Discrete fixture should be coming out within the next month. The standard Prevail from Lumark starts out with either 2 to 4 LED modules, whereas the Prevail XL can hold 4 to 6 LED modules. Standard Prevail produces 7,100 to 20,000 lumens, and the XL produces 26,000 to 48,000 lumens. So as you can see on these charts, the Prevail starts out at 52 watts, maxes out at 153, whereas the XL starts out at 176 and maxes out at 346. Multiple color temperatures, also multiple lumen outputs. The new Prevail Discrete and Prevail XL Discrete start out with LED panels. The Prevail has 1 to 2, whereas the XL goes 3 to 4. The Prevail can still produce 7,500 lumens to 20,000 lumens out of 1 to 2 panels, and the XL produces 25,000 to 41,000 with only 3 to 4 panels. As you can see from these two charts, the Prevail Discrete starts out at 54 watts, goes up to 151 watts, and the Discrete XL starts out at 172 watts to 303 watts. The great part about this is that there are fewer LEDs actually on the board, pulling less power while still producing similar amounts of light output. So when looking at these two fixtures back to back, the biggest difference is going to be switching over from LED modules to LED panels. This has decreased the wattage while you're still maintaining similar if not higher light output. You maintain the 148 lumens per watt with fewer LEDs. All of the control systems have stayed. The lumen safe integrated network security camera technology still functions and works with the new discrete fixtures, and the same versatile mounting system is maintained. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. This has been Eric Holst with Ambient Lighting, and we've been comparing the Lumark Prevail versus the new Lumark Prevail Discrete fixtures. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Thanks.